How is it going, guys? I'm back. This time alone, with no equipment except what I'm gonna show you right now. So I'm here in this pine forest, and what I'm gonna do today, make shelter. I don't have a rope, so it will be some kind of survival shelter, and I have to last 24 hours here. And I have a little bit of food. I don't have any water except for around, as you can see. I have my axe and these few layers of clothes. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make my shelter somewhere here, because everywhere else is very windy. I don't want that. And that's simply it. So, make the shelter, collect the firewood. I have few chocolate bars and I have some meat spread, and that's simply it. I'm gonna also cook some tea. I'll find a way, and let's see how I do. You saw my new pup. He's around here. He's still new, so he's going all around. Not too afraid for him. Okay, my axe. Over here I have my wallet, power bank for the cam. Over here 340 grams of meat. In the other pocket I have, this is my charging cable. I have a few chocolate bars, and I have fire steel, so I don't have any knife. Everything I'm gonna do here is an axe. Also a new series like this, I'm gonna try everything. I'll try to go only with a saw, only with a knife, and that's simply it. Now, first thing, raise bed. Second thing, cover, because there will be no rain, only probability is snow. Also, for this clothing, a lot of you asked, link here, link in the description, Revolution Race, both trousers and this jacket. I have also the t-shirt. They have very nice prices and high quality gear. It really is. You can see in my video full review, link also in the description. Okay, let's collect some materials for the shelter. He's a crazy pup, 9 months old, Belgian Malinois. This is the tree that last time fell down, and up there is our old shelter. I'm gonna use pieces from there. I have these logs here, and I'm gonna use 2 of these to make the roof. In front here, I'm gonna light the fire, and that's in place. enough. Now I have to figure out how to tie up the ridge pole. Over here it's not a problem because I can just lay down here. Back there is a problem. I have an idea, so we'll see, will it work? Not going anywhere. They don't use leather to tie up the mad people for nothing. Now I have to bring pine needles and cover it up, all the gaps from the side, because the wind is coming from up there. Over here, light the fire, and that's simply it. Now it is 12 o'clock and I'm gonna light the fire around 4 o'clock so I don't waste any firewood. The shelter is pretty much done. I have a raised bed from over here. I covered the lower part with snow. Up here I started to bring some firewood. I will light the fire down here, and that's simply it. Now I have to split some logs to get some sticks to try to make feather sticks with an axe. Here is the devil. That's simply it. Okay, now let's prepare the firewood, smaller sticks, and I also need to find some kindling. And the most important, I have to find tinder to light it with the fire still, which it won't be easy in this environment with the snow and the ice. Okay, let's try to do something. 3 times like this, and it will be enough. I still have some kindling here, and let's pick up some more of these. Okay, preparation done. Kindling, small twigs. Only one more thing. Tinder bundle. Oh, dude. Okay. So this was supposed to be a 24-hour challenge with overnighter. But I just got a call that storm is coming, the crazy storm. Later on, I'm gonna show you my car, what I drive, and you will get the reason. I need to move away. You will get the reason why I have to go right now. I have enough firewood, I'll show you over here, so it wouldn't be a problem to stay overnight, and in the morning to leave. So I'm gonna just finish my lunch. It was not a problem. It was nice to see that you can do pretty much everything around here just with an axe. As long as you get firewood, you get shelter like this, it's not a problem. No modern materials, no nothing. You saw that I had a struggle with getting a fire going. It's just normal thing in these kind of conditions, damp conditions and stuff like that. So you can see raised bed. It's very warm here. I don't doubt at all that night will be very warm as long as you get fire. It's kind of survival training, so I didn't expect to get any sleep, nice sleep, cozy sleep, just to get through the night. No sleep at all, just 15 by 15 minutes, then you wake up and it's cold, get more fire, and then get back to bed again. Of course, you can see the wind is picking up. We'll do this again with another location, not here. I want to do everything again, because otherwise it will be cheating. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you like, comment what you think, and make sure you subscribe if you're new. Also again, check the Revolution Race gear, because they support me in making videos with the gear, and that's very nice of them. So I would appreciate if you go there, link here, check what they got, and that's simple. Let's use this meat spread. I'm gonna make a spoon. Try not to cut myself. Just like this. Very nice. Okay, after I eat this, we're gonna get some water from the snow. Then, bit by bit, we're gonna leave. Demos. Ready to go home. Thank you guys for being with us. It's getting dark. I just want to be honest with you. I don't want to fake anything, just we kind of failed. It's just normal. I don't want to fail in a snowstorm for sure. Okay, we'll try it again in a few days if the weather gets better. And that's it. Thanks again for watching. I will see you next time.